years old and he's 5 years old. We're actually like twins, but we're not because
We're cousins. We're cousins. And like we're gonna make a video how to survive a snake. No, snake. Tornado.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you have to get in a box, tape it up, and like
That's
if
how
you
you
need to
actually
breathe, there's like cut a hole. You can breathe, tape it back. If you need another breathe, cut it back.
No,
again.
not that. Actually, like, where don't actually like have that hole where you just like breathe every time.
Yeah, keep looking this way. I can't see you.
And actually, like, this is where we
Upload
the weather channel. Let me show you. Let me show you. I got the weather channel. So I have to get back to the.
And we're gonna teach you how to jump.
I just dropped it.
I know.
So
you
you
have
want
to get
you
a
want to download
weather
a what?
channel. The weather channel.
The
Yeah,
Weather Channel.
Yeah, like you make a
What's
weather.
the Weather Channel app going to do for you?
Like we make a weather channel. We fight the bosses. Whoever is the winner gets an emerald.
What? It's like small land. Look, there's nothing there.
Hit your phone with your face, but not too hard because you're gonna break your
Let's go at first. Day.
How's the weather looking for this week?
Good.
What's the weather going to be?
Sunny and then cloudy.
and then tornado-y.
No. Windy.
And then smash this back button down. I mean up. Sorry, I'm
That was a tornado dunk, wasn't it?
I guess so. I guess I do. I think.
No, it's actually going that way.
So what's going to happen?
Maybe 2 tornadoes don't start that way and that way.
Maybe front and back, and like left or right.
Okay. Now, what do you need to tell your fans?
Fans, if you like, I will actually upload. You could actually get a.
If everybody subscribes, everybody in the whole city, we'll give you 555 emeralds.
No, not. How we gonna get emeralds?
We're gonna find them. Like dig stuff up and find our emeralds.
We do not have pickaxes.
Yeah.
No, we don't.
What do they need to do? Subscribe and what?
Subscribe. Hit
And
the
smash what?
like button and actually save.
Now hit that bell and press save. Then you want to, if you don't like subscribe, look, just go down on your 4-wheeler and then hit down. Then you can like jump and spin and tell you
Guess
when
what?
there's a tornado.
What?
Actually, if it's tornado there might be like if 5 is don't be up there and if 1 there, it will actually make a F6.
Hey,
F6?
Yeah.
How big is that? That big
it's
around?
this tall.
Oh.
And look,
It might actually pick your house up.
hey, don't be in your car too long.
I've never seen an F6.
Hey, don't be in your car too long. If there's a tornado behind you, pick your car up and you're dead.
No?
Yeah, there's blood floating around you. And look, if one hits you, you're dead.
No, actually, if you're in the car, it would just damage your car.
Yeah, damage.
What are you supposed to do if a tornado comes?
You got it down like this.
No.
Show them the position.
The position is this.
Do you stick your butt up in the air?
No.
No, you don't.
Tell a tornado kiss your butt.
No, look, do like this.
Tornadoes cannot catch your butts. It would just like catch your butt. Oh my! Look at that. That cloud is like big.
What kind of cloud is that?
And look,
Rainy
if you,
cloud.
A rainy cloud?
look, if you see a tornado, put your head like this in your car on the floorboard. Then you'll be safe. It'll just hit you a little
I'm
bit.
pretty sure you don't stay in your car if a tornado comes. I think you get out and get in the ditch.
Yeah, you do. You kill all the snakes and tell them to shut up until the tornado's all done.
Do you know something?
What?
Last night I actually had a dream to actually
Hang on, we've got to hear this dream.
and actually I thought I was like I have to make a YouTube video. It was like that way, and then my
The world's been waiting for Matthew Jones, haven't they?
Hey,
yeah.
hey, if you subscribe to so many videos, we'll try to do knife through our hands.
No.
Like right here.
You're going to do a knife through your hands?
Like I cut my fingers.
If I touch my hand, I would die.
All right, guys, y'all going to end this video?
Yeah.
Yep. Subscribe, leave a comment.
Guess
Let me
what?
know if we should do another video of flipping over.
All right, Matthew.
The
What do you,
next video it's like
climbing up stuff.
build a box and like I'm gonna put shelter.
shelter box?
Like this.
Yeah, like a shelter, like a instead of box. Like I'm gonna actually have that sleigh outdoor.
Yeah, well, tell YouTube world bye.
Actually, you have to come here and like smash the like button, save, and make comments if you enjoy.
If you subscribe so much, you get